So if you had to, for some reason, rename points in your project, you can use the rename points command. So on the CAD tab, under the average points drop down here, you'll see there's rename points. So basically there's a couple different ways that you can do this. If I choose the rename from, you're going to enter in a value here. So let's say that I take this point here and I want to rename it from whatever point it is to maybe 100. Before I actually do it, you can preview it so you can see that this point number is going to be renamed to 100. Now you can also do some other things like adding prefixes or suffixes. So like if I was to come in and pick a handful of points, like all of these, I could come over here and say I want to add a prefix, and let's say that these are going to be topo. Then I could hit preview and I could see that those point numbers are going to be renamed to topo with the point number. I could do it as a suffix, so you can see now it puts the topo at the end, or I could actually add a constant. So if I wanted to rename these, you can see I can has to be a value. So the constant, I could say, well, I don't want these to be 1200 or 12,000. Let's say that I went and had put a minus 12,000 in here and hit preview. You'll see that now I can renumber those to basically 667 and 687, so on. If I wanted to increase those by a value, so let's say that I added maybe 2,000 to every point number, I could preview that as well, and you can see that it will renumber those as well. So basically you're renaming the point and the point ID using the rename points command.